Today we're going to demonstrate how to do a penile girth enhancement. We're going to demonstrate a method using hyaluronic acid. Our patient has given consent for the procedure to be done and as well as for the video for social media to be taken. What we'll need for this procedure, we're going to need the hyaluronic acid. We've already drawn it here. Cleaning solution. Our roller, because of the size of our patients, this is the roller we're going to use today. Our sterile tape measure that we're going to use to measure the penis before and after the procedure, and the draping sheet that has been prepared. Everything is sterile, so let's go through the advantages of using hyaluronic acid. It's naturally looking, it lasts longer, it is stable, meaning that it doesn't move around after the injection. It is non-toxic, non-inflammatory, and it's quite easy to inject under experienced hands. And the procedure is done now. With the patient's consent again, we go back with the measuring tape to see if the results are